Hey there, YouTube! Are you ready for a product review? A negative atheist asking the age-old question, is this thing worth my money? Hello there, YouTube! So today we're going to be looking at the Tamiya Extra Thin Cement. It says it's quick setting, and this is basically a hobby glue. You can see I got this one at Hobby Lobby for $5.99. I'm not sponsored by Hobby Lobby, but I am welcome to change that if they would like. Made in Japan. And this would be a glue for various different hobby type deals. I'm going to be using it for building models and miniatures, and maybe even some terrain building, things like that. So now, not all quick setting thin cements are created equally. There's a couple things that kind of make me have a variant of different products here. I have some Citadel thin scent. I have some kind of more traditional super glue brand, and I like them all for different reasons. This particular one does set really fast, which is great for building models. It does have a strong odor to it, but it's not like overpowering. I don't feel like the fumes are going to kill me or anything. My daughter and I both used it. It was relatively fine. I have a pretty large studio down here, so we've got plenty of air circulation. And I also have, you know, if I'm dealing with something that's a little bit more hazardous, then I have an air circulator, so I can take care of all of that. Not a big deal. One thing that I like about this jar, I like the twist on and off lid. It's going to keep it from drying out, but also make it so that I can actually get into this glue. And then it has this little brush, so kind of tap some of that off, drip everywhere. And let's see, it's got this little brush, and it's actually pretty fine detail brush. I didn't have any difficulties doing some really small miniature work. We already gave this a test drive on some Star Wars models, and they dried really fast. It wasn't a huge, like, complicated model that we did. Here, I'll grab them really quick. So we finished gluing these models already. The super glue worked really well. It was really quick setting, dried super clear, really thin, really easy to apply. And I absolutely love this glue. So wanted to go ahead and give a nice product review for the Tamiya Extra Thin Cement. It does actually set really fast. It's super thin, but it doesn't set so fast that you can't work with it for a second. Normally CA glue, like super glue, sets so fast that it's difficult to work with, and I usually use the extra thin for laying down terrain surfaces, like if I'm doing bases or laying down grids, or even sealing in like a tuft or anything like that. So this one doesn't set quite that fast. It does set quickly, but it gives you a little bit of working time, which is nice. I think overall this is going to be a primary glue that I use for models from now on. I was using, as I said before, a Citadel glue. I think this one is not only more affordable, I got a lot more volume out of it, and I think that it's going to work better in most circumstances. The Citadel one, it held really well for doing metal models and plastic models alike, but it did take a little bit longer to set, and I had to kind of hold them, which gives you more working time. If I was doing something larger, I might want to do that, but you can see this is a pretty large bottle for $5.99. Let's see here, it's 40 milliliters, so quite a significant amount of product. And we did both of these models. You can see there's no product lost yet, so this is going to last a very, very long time. I'm going to use it a lot, so definitely if you're looking for a thin setting super glue type material to bond your miniatures or your models or what have you, I didn't have any issues with this melting these little plastic models, and it's a fairly cheap plastic. It was really, really brittle, easy to snap. In fact, we actually snapped one of these kind of gun cannon, laser cannon things on the side of the X-Wing off. And I was able to reaffix it really easily, so this is good stuff. I would definitely recommend checking it out. I have attached affiliate links for this product in the description below. I do, full disclaimer here, get a commission from Amazon at no additional charge to you, so please, if you feel like buying this product, use that to support this channel and future content. I am not sponsored in any way by this product or its parent company, and the opinions here are solely my own, and you can use them as you will. Thanks as always. Go ahead and like this video if you like it. Go ahead and subscribe if you want to see more future content, and I will see you in the next one.